It is 2:45 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, August 14th, 2024, Rochelle, Illinois. We just saw a BNSF railway local freight coming from Oregon, Illinois, with loaded cover, about, I think I counted 20 covered hoppers, probably loaded with frac sand. They would have been loaded at a sand operation at Oregon, Illinois. And he's going to go into the BNSF Railway Rochelle yard about a mile to the left of this video. It's the BNSF Railway Aurora subdivision, originally the Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy Railroad. And over here we have the Union Pacific Railroad Geneva subdivision, originally the Chicago Northwestern Railroad. Geneva is a point east of Rochelle here to the right, and you see a Chicago, Milwaukee, St. Paul, and Pacific Bay window caboose in some private residence backyard. 83 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is the Rochelle Municipal Utilities generating plant. A little bit about Rochelle. Population is 9,446. Oh, by the way, the power on the BNSF local freight was a trusty, reliable Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, McCook, Illinois plant, where my career was, SD40-2, built in the early 1970s. Anyway, the population of Rochelle here is 9,446. It was originally named Lane for some reason, L-A-N-E, now it's spelled R-O-C-H-E-L-L-E. It's known as the Hub City because of the intersection of this BNSF Railway Aurora subdivision and the Union Pacific Railroad Geneva subdivision. Also the first transcontinental highway in America, the Lincoln Highway, and one of the first highways to go the full north-south length of America, passed through Rochelle. They are now Illinois 38 and Illinois 251 respectively. This Rochelle Railroad Park, I'm at the front porch of the gift shop. It's the first in America built to watch operating trains, dedicated August 30th, 1998. Last passenger train through Rochelle was in 1971 on the Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy Railroad, now this BNSF Railway Aurora subdivision. The CB&Q depot was built in 1921 and demolished in 2007. That was about a mile to the left of this video. Passenger trains that came through here on this BNSF Railway when it was the Chicago, Burlington, and Quincy Railroad were trains such as the morning and afternoon Zephyrs, operating between Chicago, Union Station, and Minneapolis, St. Paul. And the former Chicago Northwestern Railroad depot is still intact on what's now the Union Pacific Railroad Geneva subdivision we're looking at about a mile to the right of this video. And the Whitcomb locomotive, locomotive works was located here. The Rochelle plant was built in 1907, manufactured industrial locomotives, and the Parton Palmer automobile, P-A-R-T-I-N P-A-L-M-E-R. Last locomotive was shipped January 4th, 1952, a 25-ton diesel electric locomotive delivered to the Central Procurement Agency of the USA Transportation Corps, number USN 65-00330. And the Union Pacific Railroad had their Global 3 intermodal facility opened in 2002, closed in July 2018. When built, it was the largest intermodal facility on the Union Pacific Railroad, now used mostly for block swapping of freight trains. And that is to about a mile to the left of this video. Other Union Pacific Railroad intermodal facilities in the Chicago area include Global 4, Joliet, Illinois, Global 2 at North Lake, Illinois, not far west of Chicago, east of Rochelle here, and Yard Center, Dolton, Illinois, south of Chicago, Illinois. Let's have a quick look toward the main part of the railroad park. There's the gift shop. And here is a diesel electric locomotive built here at built by Whitcomb Locomotive Works here in Rochelle. And here we're looking at the main part of the railroad park, the pavilions. And it's now 2:55 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, August 14th, 2024, Rochelle, Illinois. Over and out.